celebrations. A car drove into a crowd celebrating Liverpool's Premier League triumph, causing chaos and injuries. Dozens were injured, including 4 children, during the parade festivities in Liverpool. Emergency services responded quickly, tending to the injured and ensuring public safety at the scene. A 53-year-old man was arrested, but authorities have ruled out any connection to terrorism. Police have called this incident isolated, focusing on the investigation and community support. Stay informed with us for more updates on breaking news.